So by this point I've been using Randonautica for a while, and while the first time I used it, it took us to something pretty creepy, I've been trying to chase that high and get it again, and I just haven't been able to get it. So, what if we switch things up, try a different location than where we've been doing it, and see if it leads us to anything there? And, well, the results may shock you. Well, at first it seemed we got a dud. Where it took us to next, there was definitely some odd finds. And I'm not too sure I like what it could have been implying. Randonautica at a roundabout. Alright, I'm gonna go check this roundabout out.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna see what we find at this roundabout. It should be fun.
It's so cooked that it is.
They're looking at For You pages. Not this roundabout. Another roundabout. Bouncy, bouncy ball. You just hit a speed bump.
I did.
You did. Where is this roundabout?
Yeah.
Up here. Oh, a bit of an old spot for a roundabouty.
Seen that dude.
Oh wait, is it this roundabout? Interesting. Are you gonna pull over?
Yeah.
Let's take a look.
Hey, how do you get them in his AI? No. How did his eyes?
We're at the roundabout.
Ah, right.
Apparently it's creepy.
I see nothing creepy about that roundabout.
I'm gonna have a little
We should
look.
explore the middle, but
Yeah, let's go take a look. If you're curious, we're doing this around a different spot than we've been doing the past video. The first two videos were in this place called Yarra. So, seeing if we can find odd stuff around here. The moon looks cool though. I just walked into a tree. I always do this. So this is our apparently haunted roundabout or whatever. I really do think it's just a matter of if you hit the button enough times you'll get something weird. But hey, maybe it's something weird. Oh! Your pants are falling down. This is the apparently really weird roundabout. Hello, Mr. Roundabout. Anything strange? What is this car doing? So this is apparently the creepy, supposedly creepy. I'm not really seeing a whole lot here, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, there's a dead body, but that's okay. Let's resuscitate. Yeah, the cars driving by probably think we're up to no good. Yeah, we are the anomaly here. The anomaly. The anomaly.
I don't know, void's good because it's.
Do you want to do a void?
It's up to you, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, ready?
See what a void leads us to. Do it in the middle of a roundabout.
Or do we want to do a foresty area?
I feel like a foresty area could be good.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah, go for it. We just do it in the middle of a roundabout, you know? Yes, as you do.
Think of something.
Oh, no true anomaly available. Engaging quantum.
No?
There's no anomalies. We're out of anomalies. I love how all the
It's
cars
not
just keep
working.
stopping watching us. Like, what are these fellas doing?
It's not working.
To be fair, we are standing in the middle of a roundabout. It's pretty
Oh, there we
unusual.
go.
Oh, we got one?
Working now.
We got one. Spooky, scary, spooky, scary. We're in the middle of a roundabout. Come on. Everyone's like watching us. Like, what are you fellas doing? Oh, we got one. Yeah, we go.
Can we get to it? I reckon.
I reckon so. It looks like a walking
Okay.
trail. Yeah, let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yeah,
Let's get off this roundabout for starters. Why are we just standing here?
Alright, we got one.
All right, let's go. Let's get off the roundabout.
Park on it.
Is this the spot?
Yeah.
Oh,
Wait, what?
this is the spot.
Is this the void spot?
Wait, did you do a void?
Yeah, no. Attraction.
Attraction.
Push.
Okay. Let's do this.
Alright.
Alright, this is a pretty eerie spot it's apparently led us to. Let's see if we get anything odd with this one. Oh yeah, probably. Alright, this doesn't look eerie at all. I mean, what do you mean? This is great. Why are you just...
I thought it was raining. I was so confused.
No. Oh no! I don't want your moisture. Oh, how could I resist? What is that?
No, that's a
It is.
Yeah,
That
that's
is a bone.
A bone?
Is
So we found a bone already. Yeah, it's a bone. We found a bone. There's a bone right there. Oh.
Oh, it is. It is too.
It's from a steak. It's in the middle of a steak.
Right there. We're going the wrong way.
Oh, wrong way. Is it this way? Oh, it's this way. Wait, so where roughly is it?
Like,
Just
up
off
here and just
here.
off the path.
Ooh, just off the path.
Going off the path.
Figure it out.
It's just through there.
Just through
Yeah,
here.
through there.
It's through here.
Alright.
Let's go. Alright, bottoms up.
How far is it?
Good question. I guess we just go for it.
Oh, okay.
Isn't it like a suggestion? I'm gonna go through a bit more. It's a pretty overgrown spot. Spider, be gone. Spider, be gone. I don't even know if I'm going like the right way. Oh, hello there, sir. No, I don't think this is the way. Gonna head back a little. We're back at the path. Don't see anything creepy though. What's it led us to? What's going on up here? Is it in here?
No, I'm looking at a spider cradle.
Oh.
Can you bust it?
Wait, look, there's actually a marking on the tree here. Right where the marker thing points.
For them to cut it down, because that's usually what pink means.
Maybe that's what it led us to. Oh, they're dipping.
This was scary.
Oh, it's you moving.
Look, I literally just went into the bush. Alright.
What's that? Oh wait, what's this?
Is it a bag or something?
It's a blanket. It's like a kid's blanket.
That's
And
where the marker is.
yeah, it's not just a kid's blanket, there's something else. Is that a kid's blanket or like, what is it? It's a kid's thing, but
What's near it? What is that?
I don't know. It's like a wooden piece and then a mat thing. Let's find out. Oh, it's a dog toy, I think. I don't know. And what is this? Do I want to touch that actually? I can't tell if it's a suspicious bedroom toy. Well, I don't want to touch it because I don't actually know. It just looks kind of in that kind of shaping. Is that like a suspicious bedroom toy or?
No, it's probably just a dog toy or something.
I'm just, it's in that shape and I don't know for sure, so I don't want to touch it. I don't know.
Actually, it kind of does look looks like a vibrator.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Maybe that's what it led us to.
I don't know. I don't want to touch it if it is. Oh,
It actually does look like a vibrator.
oh, that's nice.
So is there
Oh,
anything-
that's nice because that's right there. Then that's here.
Anything else?
Oh.
Turn around.
You starting to catch my drift here? Anything else? You see anything further? Is that actually?
I think it
Yeah,
is.
it looks like a vibrator.
That's disgusting. Right, that's kind of weird. Whoa, big plant. Anything through here? I don't think so. Still, that's a bit of a weird find. What is it? Oh, you find something. Oh, what is that thing?
I don't know.
What's that underneath? Is a little floater.
There's like a plastic looky thing under it. I swear I just saw something through there.
Look, there's a slater.
Oh my god.
Yeah, the little slater. Come here.
What even is it?
Slater.
Roly poly bugs.
So yeah, it's a slater.
Roly poly bugs.
Yeah, but those little slaters.
Roly
Come
poly
here, little
bugs.
friends. Come here.
Roly poly bugs.
Come here.
I
Look
love
here.
Thought I saw something
got
through
you.
there.
them. Roly poly bugs.
You alright, buddy?
That's a bit of an odd find. Bit of a weird combination of objects, you could say. It's like a big old chunk of wood. It's like wedged in. Oh, there you go.
More bugs. Oh my god.
There's
Earwig.
Anything else along the outskirts? I don't think so.
Anything else?
No, I'm not seeing anything else. That's a weird combination of stuff to find.
Shut up, dogs. Quiet.
Anything? Yeah, kid's blanket and a suspicious bedroom toy. Weird combination of stuff.
Toys as well.
Yeah, that's weird that it led us to that. It's a bit of an odder one.
And a vibrator.
Yeah, we found a suspicious bedroom toy next to a kid's blanket.
What?
Yeah.
Like some sort of sex toy next to a kid's blanket.
Yeah. That was a weird one, that one.
That was a bit weird. That was creepier than the other one.
Yeah.
That was a bit strange.
Yeah, definitely a stranger one.
Yeah, you know what else is strange?
What?
Take it
What are you doing? Something moving.
Huh?
Probably just a what? There's wood there. What? Is it just an opening?
Look at this clearing, yeah.
Yeah. I kind of saw something. It's kind of like walked through here. Oh, what's this? What is that?
It's like a nozzle light.
Hmm.
What was that?
What's what?
Someone talking.
Yes.
Oh, there's someone through there. You hear that? There's people through there. Oh, was that dog good?
Oh, just ran into your house.
There's a big web.
God.
What?
Yeah,
What is it?
People over there.
What did you find?
A bag.
Oh, there's a bag. Wait, there's a bag. There's a bag.
Check inside of it.
It's just shine the light in your eyes, sorry. What?
A pretty decent bag.
It's got stuff
too.
in it, you hear it? Oh,
Ew.
That's fucked.
what is that?
That stinks. Yeah, I don't know.
That is disgusting.
What's inside this front one?
Oh, that smell. Ooh.
Curious more than anything.
Look at the size of that spider.
Ew.
Big boy. Is it alive?
I don't think so.
I think so.
Wait, is it?
I'm not gonna.
Oh, it is.
Oh, yeah, it's alive.
He's moving. I think I stood on it.
That's probably me. That's what. Is there anything else in there?
No, but it definitely
Yeah, there's a spider. Keep an eye on it, 'cause I really don't want to get bitten by it. Yeah, that's.
Wait, what was in the front
I'm
pocket?
gonna wash my fingers. I can smell on my fingers.
Was there anything in the front pocket?
Just tissue, like some napkin-y looking things.
Ooh, probably used for some
Probably.
crusty activities.
Can't get her open.
What's underneath that stuff?
Little bugs in it, and
There's
I don't even
something
know.
underneath that.
I don't want to touch it.
I need it stinks.
I don't know what that is.
That.
Oh wow, wow.
Roll it up.
Oh, yeah, tip it out. I'll tip it out.
Check it out. You sure?
I don't know if we want to
is
tip
that?
that out. Yeah, what is that?
It's like paper.
Really? What's that?
It's like
Load
mail.
of rustling up there.
I mean, I know Will and them are up there, so we should be good.
Should I?
Probably
Just quickly?
don't grab it.
No, don't touch that crap.
That I don't know what's on that. It stinks. Whatever it is.
Is it like? It's definitely a paper.
What is that? What is this? What is this
Like,
thing?
grab, hold on,
know.
grab one side. Okay. It's
Interesting.
like a notebook.
Ew.
It
Interesting.
stinks so bad.
Oh.
What is this? What does it say on the thing there?
It's like
Electrolytes.
Yeah. There's an unopened Red Bull.
Interesting.
It's not open.
Free drink.
I ain't touching that. Watered.
That's
Oh, it's in here.
Are
disgusting.
there any other things in it?
There's a front pocket.
Oh yeah, what's in there?
Oh god. Take myself to this.
I don't see anything in there.
Ah!
What?
Need to wash my hands.
Did you get his juices on
Yeah, I
you?
did. That's pretty much it. There's
Disgusting.
nothing really else that we could check on it.
That's so gross.
That's weird though. Like,
stinks
Anything
so
else in
bad.
I don't know. I think that's it. What was that?
Who do you think that?
Is it just them throwing water bottles?
Oh,
What?
look through there. There's another little gap.
Oh. This just opens up to where they are.
Does it?
Yeah. Have a look over here if you want.
I mean, we can walk through here. There's a broken off plant. There's a beer bottle. And some holes.
Oh no, that's not. Why are there holes here?
I don't know.
Wait, I'm gonna smash this. You ready for this?
There's more here.
Should I hit this against the tree?
I don't see anything through here.
Or anything through this video?
Kinda. Oh, it kinda looks like there might be something.
I'll have a look.
It looks like another bottle. A ginger... Oh, there's a few, like, ginger beery looking bottles, or sarsaparilla. What the hell was that? What was that thing? The biggest bloody creature just, I swear, flew in front of me. What was that? And it better not be on me. I'm covered in crap. I'm gonna have to shake off a little. Better not have been that big spider, I'm telling you.
We can shut him on for a second.
Yeah. There's a pipe.
Careful, spider bit.
Yeah, I'm not seeing anything. I reckon that's about it for this spot.
Yeah, it's still pretty weird though.
Yeah, definitely some weird stuff.
Someone's been buried here. There's a weird bulge in the dirt.
I hope not. Not really seeing much here, I'm not gonna lie. Just more neighbourhoody areas. This area's fenced off. No, it's just a sewage thing.
Yeah.
I reckon we head back. Yeah. I don't think there's going to be anything really here. It led us over there. Still, suspicious bedroom toys and child's blankets. Weird combination. And then that bag, stinky. Definitely a more of an odd one, this one. Better than that roundabout. I don't even know why it led us to the roundabout. There's nothing really of interest there.
My toes are so sore.
What's this? Oh, it's funny, just those like things they put near construction sites to hold the fences up. Hello there. We just found the most disgusting bag full of foul crap.
What was it full of?
Oh, old coffee, some weird papery substance, tissues.
Oh, what'd you find? It's a weird bag.
Yeah, it was just odd.
Like old gross.
Yeah, it was kind of disgusting.
There's like paper stuff in
Yeah.
it.
Looked like a nightmare.
Oh, what a weird one this one was. Definitely an odd one. Yeah, look at my hat. My hat's covered in them.
What is it?
These
Bean things?
flowery thingies.
Yeah, like these weird like seeds.
You can tell it's coming into spring. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's so bloody filling on my hair.
Are they all in your hair?
Yeah, I have to wash
Oh, that's crazy.
it.
And so, that was a weird find. Those two things together, suspicious bedroom toy and children's blanket, not a fan of that. Not a fan of that at all. Don't know why it's there. How did the app lead us there is the craziest part. This is the one thing I've noticed with this app is that even though it's not always something creepy, it definitely leads you to something. There's always something if you look. And it just make me wonder, how does the app know that? How does it know? Well, this case, not as creepy as that first thing we did in the first episode, but definitely a weird combination of items to find, so I'm hoping nothing's happened here, but let me know in the comments below, what do you make of this? And that bag, I can't stress enough how stinky that was, like, ugh, it was horrible.